I've been here my whole life. What I do here on my acres is what's important to me. I have the opportunity to do something I'm super passionate about and to try to do better every year. I'm hoping every year is the best year I ever had. And then the next year will be even better yet. It takes a lot of planning. Some people want to call it luck, so be it, but luck definitely favors the prepared. I'm probably midway through the season. Super dry this year, sub 5 inches of rain until September. Crops starting to turn by that time, but we did make up a lot of ground then. Daughter's wedding's coming up, so I'll try to hammer out as much as I can, tackle that, and get right back to harvest the following week. Normally, my brother would come home from Singapore to help me this fall. Because of travel restrictions with everything going on, he was unable to make the trip. Thankfully, Mitch stepped up and is doing a great job in helping me out. Otherwise, I would be way behind.
You want me to turn around down in this valley here? Or do you want me to keep coming further?
Come up here on the flat, and then I can make another round after we unload.
Probably the one thing I enjoy the most is every year brings a new challenge. No year has ever been the same, nor will ever be the same. And that's what makes it fun.
Yes, I love the yields that we're getting, but I'm more excited about seeing the data to see how it got to that point, good or bad. Every acre is different. Every acre stands on its own, and I can track all that with digital ag. That's how you're going to learn and do a better job on every acre.
If we don't learn anything this year, to Jerry and I, that year is a failure. We constantly have to be learning and progressing in this industry to survive.
Feel very blessed to have him help me, and we're having a fun time getting work done. Hey, honey.
Hey. Got you some food.
I like food.
Yeah. Balance has always been a thing for us because Jerry, for the most part, he works alone. It's not like he has a ton of downtime. Jerry is very work-driven, and so I was like, you're gonna have one daughter getting married one time. You're gonna have 60, 70 harvests, if we're blessed. Please be present at this time.
Sarah's wedding went incredible. I had it in my mind that when that day came, I was going to leave the farm behind because I can always make more money, but I can't get time back. Worked really hard to be in the present, to enjoy that, and it was incredible. I had a laugh that Sarah is a planner like I am. I mean, she had it planned to the minute where everyone needed to be, what everybody should be doing, and it went flawless that way. The night of the hailstorm, you go through a whole mix of emotions. You're mad, you're sad, but we just go after it. Give it your best shot, you keep on swinging. And I'm always trying to learn something from bad things that happen. It's nice having a digital tool to keep track of all them different layers. It's just amazing what these plants can do now. Planting that late and still get a bountiful yield is pretty impressive.
Soil sampling and learning more about soil fertility has been a big thing that Jerry and I have focused on. We want to know where we're at so we know where to go. That's very important to us. We try to question everything we do.
FieldView really helps me manage my decisions going into next year. Keeps track of all my data, whether it's moisture, seeds at the right place, the right time, the right density, fertilizer. Every time I go across the field is another layer, and I can keep track of all of that and analyze it and see what worked best and improve from there. Digital tools and the genetics really help the return on our investment. We're getting more yields on less water, less fertilizer, and obviously that helps maximize every profit I can get. I feel truly blessed with getting what we're getting yield-wise. I'm not in competition with my neighbors. My main goal is try to do better every year. Quality, not quantity, on my acres. We're harvesting now, but I'm already planning for next year. As soon as harvest gets done, it's off and doing dry fertilizer, continue until the snow flies, start hauling this year's crop to market. Pour into springtime, start all over again. It's a new year, new season. I don't know what my dad would say if he was still alive to see all this. Probably complain that it costs so much. I assume he'd be super proud that I took it and grew it to what it is today. I have a lot here. I'll survive. That's what farmers do.